If your hair feels crispy, frizzy, or flat after heat, you're probably guilty of one of these. Let's fix it. Always use a heat protectant. Fine hair has way less natural protection, so you cannot skip this. Treat it as a non-negotiable. One light, even passed before any heat, makes a massive difference. Air dry your hair 90% before you pick up the round brush. The wetter your hair, the longer you have to blast it with heat. Let it air dry about 90%, then use your dryer just to shape it. Keep your irons and hot tools under 350 degrees. The higher the heat does not mean it's going to style better or that your curls are going to last longer. It just creates frizz, makes your hair dry, and break faster. Do yourself a favor and stay under 350 degrees. Always use your blow dryer nozzle. When you skip the nozzle, your hair gets way too close to the heating element. The nozzle not only concentrates airflow, but it keeps your hair safer from heat damage. Style the hair around your face last. The hair around your face is the most fragile, and your iron is the hottest when you first use it. Leaving that hair for last and turning your iron down will save your fine fringe from sizzling off. And lastly, use tension, not more heat. Fine hair responds better to tension than temperature. Whether you're blow drying or flat ironing, slow down and use proper tension instead of turning the heat up. And that's my tips. Fine hair does not need more heat, it needs better techniques. And I'm excited to share with you that I am building a site with all my fine hair tips and all my favorite product recommendations all in one place. So if you're interested, there is a sign up link in the description. Thank you guys so much for watching and all your support, and I will see you in the next one.